Good Thursday night out there, everyone. Storm Tracker 8 forecaster Tyler Hull here. Obviously, the big talker the last couple of days, and honestly, since this past weekend, has been the possibility of a winter storm potentially impacting Central Virginia. Well, that's looking like it's going to be playing out Friday morning into Friday midday, and I'll talk about that coming up on this digital weather video on this late Thursday night. So again, we're going to have plenty of cold air in place across the Mid-Atlantic. We have this storm system coming at us from the Tennessee Valley, and of course, we're going to have moisture in place. So we have all the ingredients in place to see wintry precipitation occurring on Friday. So yeah, cold air in place. We've got a storm tracking to our south, and yeah, we're going to be seeing some wintry precipitation out of this overall situation our Friday. So it is going to get going early Friday morning. So the timing has moved up versus recent days, as I was talking about this evening, a little after midnight and continuing into the early afternoon hours on our Friday. And it's looking like mainly a light to moderate snow situation, maybe a little bit of sleet for Central Virginia, but more of that sleet, that freezing rain, cold rain, snow situation is going to be in Southern Virginia and out by Southeastern Virginia or the Hampton Roads area. So again, this is what we're looking at a little after midnight tonight and continuing into Friday afternoon, early Friday afternoon. 1 to 3 inches is going to be the jackpot area of seeing the most snow out of this in that white shaded area. In the gray shaded area, we're talking about a dusting to potentially half an inch, maybe an inch of snow in northern portions of the 8 News viewing area. So Buckingham County, Fluvanna County, Louisa County, Caroline County could see upwards of an inch. But basically all of Metro Richmond, upwards of 3 inches possible down to the Tri-Cities and down towards Emporia, maybe an inch at best with a mixture happening. Same with out by the Hampton Roads area. Okay, so this is how it plays out. Again, right around the midnight hour, if not after. So again, between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m., light to moderate snow is going to be breaking out across Central Virginia. Now, as we all know, typically speaking, the nighttime into the early next morning is the coldest part of the day, usually. So perfect timing to see snow breaking out overnight into the morning hours, and that is going to continue throughout the morning half of the day. That pink and green, obviously a mixture, if not cold rain situation. Could see a little bit of sleet mixing in by middle of the day, possibly if this plays out this way. Otherwise, east of Interstate 95, it's going to be a mixed bag of precipitation. But along and west of 95, it's going to be mainly a snow event. So again, early in the morning through early in the afternoon tomorrow, we're going to be dealing with light to at times moderate snowfall. And it's also going to be cold all day long. Now, tomorrow evening, we have RVA illuminates as we light up the city for the upcoming holiday season. And, well, it is going to be cold for this event. And there has been some updated kind of logistics when it comes to this overall event, and that's on our website. Also on our social media pages, all that good stuff on for updated information. A scaled down celebration due to winter precipitation. Now, I will tell you, checking out the 8-day forecast here, we are going to be in for, as I said, a cold one tomorrow with that winter storm, hence why we have that Viper alert that's in place for our Friday. Then tomorrow night into Saturday, any snow that falls, particularly on those secondary untreated roadways, so not the interstates, not the parkways, not the turnpikes that we know, but those other roadways, I would be definitely concerned heading into Saturday morning for some icy spots. That's why I put morning icy spots. That is for, again, secondary roadways on Saturday morning. We are going to see significant melting happening on Saturday as temperatures rise into the middle 40s with limited sunshine. Sunday is going to be okay, and then next Monday and Tuesday we get another surge of some colder air. So I put chilly for next Monday and Tuesday, and then we kind of level off after that as far as temperatures are concerned across the area. So stay warm, stay safe, and drive very, very carefully on Friday morning if you have to be out and about. And obviously, have that shovel and have that ice scraper ready to go.